Welcome to our brand new channel where we are going to open Kinder Surprise, which is called Kinder Niespodzianka in Poland, especially for you. This is the Polish edition of Kinder Surprise. Yep, so let's start. Okay, we are opening. First is the chocolate, and now the most important is the toy. Let's open it. Something is going wrong. It's hard. Yeah, there it is. What is that? Something green. What is that? What is that green fellow? Let's check on the instruction. Okay, it seems to be pretty easy. Yep, two parts are the image. Yeah, good, the perfect match. Let's check if this toy can do anything. Let's get closer and see the manual. It looks that we will need some water to use it. Let's bring it. Yep. Put the toy into the water, press, and yes, we can water the plants. We can see the water on the plant. We can see the water on the table. Thank you, green little fellow. And what we have here, the QR code. Let's scan it and see where it goes. You can download the game. Yep, thank you for watching. Subscribe. See you soon.